Alright, it's your plane, buddy.
I'll make sure I don't bang you. We're good. Okay.
Gotta turn the yoke that far to the side, we're gonna be upside down anyway.
Yes, I gotta remember which plane I'm in. Vineyard Tower, 758 Foxtrot Romeo.
758 Foxtrot Romeo Tower.
We're here at the base of the tower looking at taxi to the active. We have Foxtrot.
November 758 Foxtrot Romeo, runway 33 taxi via Alpha.
Runway 33 taxi via Alpha, Foxtrot Romeo. Clear.
8 Foxtrot Romeo, if you need a run up, would you pull over next to the Mooney, please? 758 Foxtrot
He wants us to pull up next to the Mooney.
Foxtrot Romeo, we'll pull up to the Mooney.
Okay, thanks.
I'm not used to listening to that call sign. I'm like, who's he talking to? Okay. Vineyard Tower, 758 Foxtrot Romeo is ready to go.
Eight Foxtrot Romeo, proceed on taxiway Alpha behind the Cherokee.
Okay, we'll put you behind the Cherokee, Foxtrot Romeo.
You good? You feel comfortable, Scott?
Yeah.
Good. Once you get up to about 500 feet,
away from the runway,
you can bleed off the flaps.
Roger that.
You're going to start to sink a little. Then just adjust the trim. I'm assuming it's the same in the regular 172.
343 Charlie Delta, frequency change approved. Cape approach for advisories. They're on 118.2. Okay, good day, 3 Charlie.
Just tip it up forward a little bit, get the speed.
November 8 Foxtrot Romeo, runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, Foxtrot Romeo.
They coming? Looks good, looks clear.
Okay, 3, pull rich. Yep, turn that in. We're good.
Yep.
Yeah, it definitely has a little more guts to it.
And your ground, Cardinal 2662 Victor, we're at the ramp here under the tower, taxi with Foxtrot.
Cardinal 62 Victor, Vinny ground, runway 33, taxi via Alpha.
33 via Alpha, 62 Victor.
Vineyard Tower, Mooney 85 Zulu, leaving the class Delta, changing frequency. Thanks.
Mooney 85 Zulu, roger. Cape approach if you'd like advisories on 18.2, 118.2. Good day.
Take the flaps out at 700, you say?
Yeah, about 500-600, you can do it.
Okay. I think we're good now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you mean by the trim.
Yeah. A heavy nose.
Yeah.
Just when you land, just keep that in mind. The nose is a little heavy.
Ready.
Yep.
Yeah, you don't have to do it. It's not crazy heavy, but
222 November Bravo, Vineyard Tower, runway 6. Fly runway heading, maintain 2000, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading 2000, 2 November Bravo, clear to go.
what's the fuel flow reading now, Scott? I can't see it from here.
Way up, like 16.
You can unscrew this till you're down to 14 now.
Okay.
Okay, good.
I probably could climb faster than I'm climbing, but I'm not used to climbing.
Do whatever you feel comfortable. You know what? Till you get used to the plane. You're gonna wind up flying this plane a lot with me, so just, you know.
Yeah, it's getting used to it.
Get used to it.
Flies nice though.
Yeah, it does.
Till we get Cape approach on the line. I think we're almost out of the Delta, aren't we? Vineyard Tower, 758 Foxtrot Row. I'd like to go to Cape approach.
758 Foxtrot Romeo, frequency change approved, Cape on 18.2, see you later.
Have a nice day. Cape approach 758 Foxtrot Romeo is 3000, just departing northbound Martha's Vineyard. I'd like flight following back to Islip.
Brookhaven.
753 Foxtrot Romeo.
758 Foxtrot Romeo. We'll be going back to Brookhaven, I'm sorry.
Say the 3-digit letter identifier for your destination, type aircraft, and your cruise altitude.
We're a 758 Foxtrot Romeo, or a Cessna 172 XP. And we're at 3400, just departed Martha's Vineyard. And we'd like flight following back to Brookhaven.
What's the 3-letter identifier for that?
Hotel Whiskey Victor.
Great. Romeo Foxtrot, squawk 7314 and idem.
7314 idem.
Great. Romeo Foxtrot radar contact 6 miles northwest of the Martha's Vineyard Airport.
Thanks, and we are 758 Foxtrot Romeo, just so you know. Not Romeo Foxtrot. How wide do you think we go? 45?
Yeah, I think 45, 4.5.
And we'll get right under it. I think this is where you got out of it.
Yeah, it is. Right around this area. It hasn't moved. And you can feel a couple of bumps now. It's where the two fronts are meeting. Brookhaven traffic, 758 Foxtrot Romeo Airport advisory and runway info, please.
Loud and clear, advising 33 left traffic, 33 at Brookhaven.
33 left traffic, thank you, Tony.
I'm going to start slowing down to get into
Yep. Traffic, Sierra's maneuvering for the 45 for free Brookhaven. Brookhaven traffic, Sierra's on the 45 for...
It's so strange, just the 2 feet over to the right, what a different perspective this is.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, when traffic 58 Foxtrot Romeo is on the 45 for the left downwind, runway 33.
Brookhaven traffic.
Now you can hit the flaps if you want, Scott.
Number 2 on the 45 for free.
Perfect.
Turning downwind right now.
And now I would screw the prop in also.
2 miles north of the field. We'll be entering the 45 behind all you there.
Perfect, you're perfect. You set up nice. You're at a good speed.
And normally I give it another 20 flaps. Alright?
Yeah, when you turn base, I put the flaps down to 20.
Okay.
Right before you turn, I would do it.
Alright.
Drop in and do your thing.
58 Foxtrot Romeo turning left base, runway 33, Brookhaven.
Brookhaven traffic, Sierra's...
Put the 20 down to 20. There you go.
Free, Brookhaven.
I think you need to give it a little more juice, buddy.
What?
It's heavy. This is going to drop like a rock.
We'll
Brookhaven traffic, glider away 2,500 feet northeast end of the airport, Brookhaven.
Now if you want to hit 30 degrees, and you can probably pull the power at this point.
2 is turning 45, left downwind for runway 33, Brookhaven.
Brookhaven traffic, Cirrus turning base, free, traffic inside, Brookhaven.
Looks good. Like a nice approach.
Gave it a little slip there.
Yeah, I saw that.
Brookhaven traffic, Cessna 172, taxi in Lima to runway 33.
You're going to be perfect. This is going to be a good landing. You're good.
Brookhaven
Doing good.
Cirrus turning final, number 2, free, Brookhaven.
Coming down. All right, you're good.
Traffic, Cessna 172, turning
Now,
left base.
pull it back a little. Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back.
Radio check, please.
Good. Beautiful landing, Scott.
I'm clear.
Listen, I know you don't need me. It's just because the first time this is so much heavier than nose,
Yeah,
you know?
I don't blame you.
Have a good flight.
Now you know what it feels like, you know?
Yeah, it's good.
Brookhaven traffic, Cirrus 1 mile final, runway 3.
I didn't fuck up your plane.
No, you made a great landing, man. Made a great landing. Now you know what it feels like. It's a little different feel than a regular 172.
It drops out of the sky pretty good.
And